Hello students, myself Tiwari sir from Bright Skills Educare. You are most welcome in our lecture. Now today we are going to see basic things related to algebraic expressions. Now student, this is the basic concept related to algebra. Now before we start algebraic expressions, let us see about the terms. First thing is terms. What are terms? Terms are, let us see some examples. 5 is a term, 7x is a term, 3xy is a term, minus 12 abc is a term. They all are called terms. 5 is a term, 7x is a term, 3xy is a term, minus 12 abc is also a term. Okay. Now see, a term is made up of coefficient and variable. Term is made up of coefficient plus variable. What is coefficient? Coefficient means constant, the value which does not change. Constant, the value which does not change. Variable, where value changes. Changing value, that is called as variable, where we can substitute any value. For example, in 7x, 7 is the coefficient and x is the variable. Students, we cannot change the value of 7. It will be remain same. 7 will be always 7. But we can change the value of x. In place of x, we can put 3, we can put 4, we can put any number. We can put minus 5, minus 12, minus 20, anything we can substitute in place of x. That is why it is called as variable. So here in algebra, we are going to deal with the coefficient and variable, and we can say we are going to deal with the terms. And terms jointly form expressions. Terms jointly form expressions. Now students, you understood this one. Here in this one, 5 is a only constant. Even you can say it is a term. Variable is not here. In 7x, 7 is the coefficient, x is the variable. In 3xy, 3 is the coefficient and xy is the variable. Minus 12 abc, minus 12 is a coefficient and abc is a variable. Okay students, when we are adding or subtracting terms or multiplying terms, we will get expressions. See here students, suppose I had 5 and 7x. Expressions 5 plus 7x. The same thing you can write as 7x plus 5. It is an expression. This is called as algebraic expressions. Here again, second example of algebraic expressions, 3xy plus 7x. It is also an algebraic expressions. Third example, 5x square y plus 3x minus 2y. This is also an algebraic expressions. When terms are added or subtracted, it forms algebraic expressions. तो आपको टर्म समझ में आ गया क्या होता है और algebraic expressions क्या होते हैं वो समझ में आ गया. ओके. Now students, algebraic expressions are of many types. See, algebraic expressions are: first one is monomial, second one is binomial, and third one is trinomial, and the last one is polynomial. Students, let us see mono means one. Mono means one. Algebraic expression with single term. Algebraic expression with single term is called as monomial. For example, 5x minus 3y minus 2abc, they all are monomial. Because they have only single term, so they are called as monomial. Binomial, two terms. For example, 5x plus 3y, two terms are there, so it is binomial. X square y plus 7yz, it is binomial because two terms are there. This is first term, this one is second term. This is first term, this one is second term. So it is a binomial. Now, what is trinomial? Obviously, mono means single, bi means two, and tri means three. So three terms. Three terms. 5a plus 2b minus 3c. It is a trinomial. X square plus y square plus z square. It is a trinomial. AB minus BC minus CA. Again three terms are there. It is trinomial. Understood what is trinomial? Poly means many. Polynomials, the expressions which is more than three terms are called as polynomials. For example, see here, polynomials means more than three terms. They are, first example, 5x square minus 3x plus 2y minus 8. Four terms are there. You can say it is a polynomial. Another one, second example, 7a raised to 5 minus 5a raised to 3 minus 2a square plus 7a minus 5. This is also an example of polynomial. Students, from these examples you must understood what is expressions and types of expressions. It is monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial. Monomial means expression with single term, binomial means expression with two terms, trinomial means expressions with three terms, and polynomial means expressions with more than three terms. They are called as polynomials. Understood? Just note down all these examples. Now students, we are going to see like terms and unlike terms. What are like terms? Like term it means terms with the same variable. See here examples. Terms having the same variable is called as like terms. For example, 7xy minus 2xy, 12xy. See students, here all the three terms have same variable, xy here, xy here, xy here. So these all three terms are like terms. Okay. Now unlike terms. Terms with different variable. Let us see some examples. 7x square y minus 12xy square 3xyz minus 10x square yz. See students, all are unlike terms here. 7x square y, here variable is x square y, here variable is xy square. They are different, they are not same, so they are unlike terms. Here variable is xyz, here variable is x square yz. So all the terms having different variables are called as unlike terms. You must have understood what is like terms and what is unlike terms. Understood? Now we are going to do how to add and subtract algebraic expressions. How to add and subtract algebraic expressions. Students, now we are going to see addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. As I told you earlier, even it is here, addition and subtraction is always done between like terms. Means only you can add and subtract like terms. You cannot add or subtract unlike terms from each other. So always remember, addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions are always done between like terms. Now here one example is there. 7x square minus 4x plus 5 should be added with 9x minus 5y plus 10. See students, first there are two methods you have done, horizontal method and vertical method. We'll do vertical method. See, 7x square minus 4x plus 5. Very common method. Like terms should be always placed below the like terms. 9x means plus 9x. It should be placed here plus 9x. Minus 5y is not here, so right here minus 5y. Minus 10 here minus 10. Understood? You have to add both the numbers, both the expressions. Like terms के नीचे ही like terms लिखना है. देखो 7x square minus 4x plus 5 plus 9x है तो 4x के नीचे आएगा minus 5y. यहाँ पे कहीं पर भी y नहीं है तो इसको सेपरेटली अलग कॉलम दो. Minus 10 should come below the plus 5. Now add them. 7x square plus minus. Opposite signs are there, so you have to subtract. Take 9 minus 4, 5x, and sign of greater number. Greater number is 9, so plus should be here. Plus 5 minus 10 minus 5. Again subtraction and sign of greater number, and then minus 5y. This is your proper answer. Even you can arrange it. If you arrange it, it could be 7x square plus 5x minus 5y minus 5. This is your proper answer. So answer will be 7x square plus 5x minus 5y minus 5. समझ में आ गया आपको कैसे करना है एडिशन ऑफ algebraic expressions? Note down this sum. Students, now see another example. First algebraic expression is minus 5x cube plus 2x square minus 7x plus 5, and second one is 3x cube plus 5x plus 12. You have to subtract second one from first one. Okay. Let us do the vertical method. Minus 5x cube plus 2x square minus 7x plus 5. Now see, you have to write like terms below the like terms. 3x cube should be placed here plus 5x. So 5x should be placed below 7x. So 5x should come here plus 5x plus 12. Okay. X square is not there in the second expression, so leave as it is. Either you leave or you can write plus 0. Both the methods are there. This term is not there, so you can write plus 0. Okay. Now let us see, students. Either you put plus 0 or 0 into x square. समझ में आया? जो भी टर्म नहीं रहता है उसको हम 0 into करके लिख सकते हैं. यहाँ पे x square टर्म नहीं है, तो we can write it standard form could be like this. See here, 3x cube plus 0 into x square plus 5x plus 12. This is the standard form. X square term is not there, that is why it is written in 0 into x square. Why it is? क्योंकि 0 का किसी भी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करो उसका वैल्यू 0 आता है, एंड 0 इज मीनिंगलेस फॉर दिस अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन. समझ में आ गया? नाउ सब्ट्रैक्शन. स्टूडेंट्स, आपको पता होगा सब्ट्रैक्शन में जो नीचे जिस एक्सप्रेशंस को आप सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हो उसके साइन चेंज हो जाते हैं. व्हाटएवर expression you are subtracting, their sign should be changed. Here plus sign is there, it becomes minus. Here plus sign is there, it becomes minus. Here plus is there, it becomes minus. And here again plus sign is there, it becomes minus. Suppose यहाँ पे minus होता तो plus हो जाता. समझ में आया? अब हम करते हैं. Now we have to consider this sign which is changed. Minus 5 minus 3. Minus 5 minus 3 becomes minus 8 and variable is x cube. This is 0. So simply you have to put plus 2x square plus 0x square, 2x square. Now students, minus 7 minus 5. अभी इस प्लस को नहीं कंसीडर करना है, ये माइनस को कंसीडर करना है. Minus 7 minus 5 minus 12x. And here plus 5 minus 12. अपोजिट साइन है तो सब्ट्रैक्शन. 12 minus 5 7 और साइन ग्रेटर नंबर. ग्रेटर नंबर 12 है और 12 का साइन कितना है? माइनस. सो माइनस शुड बी प्लेस्ड हियर. सो दिस इज योर फाइनल आंसर. सो आफ्टरवर्ड यू कैन पुट हियर आंसर और यू कैन राइट योर आंसर हियर. इट इज इक्वल टू minus 8x cube plus 2x square minus 12x minus 7. This is your final answer. अंडरस्टूड कैसे ऐड करते हैं और कैसे सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं? आई थिंक one एग्जाम्पल इज सफिशिएंट फॉर यू. इन दिस वे यू कैन प्रैक्टिस इट. Now students, this is third example. Here 3 expressions are there. All 3 expressions you have to add. Let us do the vertical method. Even students, we can do it by horizontal method. अब हम इसको horizontal method से कर रहे हैं. कैसे करेंगे? Like terms को arrange करेंगे एक साथ. ध्यान से देखना. First step is this one. Second step, open the bracket. 7xy plus 5yz minus 3zx plus 4yz plus 9zx minus 4y. Plus into minus, it becomes minus. Minus 3xz plus 5x minus 2xy. Now bracket is open. Let us see the like terms. फर्स्ट टर्म इज 7xy. अब देखते हैं xy कहां पर है. xy is here. See carefully. So first like term you got 7xy here and xy is here. So keep them together. So next step 7xy minus 2xy. Okay. Now yz. Yz is here and yz is here. Three lines I am drawing identical, and just check whether another yz is there. No, only two yz is there. So first one is 5yz. Second like term of yz is plus 4yz. समझ में आ रहा है ना? सभी लाइक टर्म्स को एक एक साथ लिखेंगे. अब थर्ड कौन सा टर्म है? -3zx माइनस 3zx. और देखिए zx का टर्म कहाँ पर है? एक ये है, दूसरा ये है zx, और थर्ड वन यहाँ पर भी है. देखो xz या zx ऑल आर सेम. -3zx plus 9zx minus 3xz or zx you write together. So -3zx plus 9zx minus 3zx. देखो स्टूडेंट्स, पहला पेयर ये बना 1 1 लिखा हुआ है. सेकंड पेयर ये है 5yz एंड 4yz. थर्ड पेयर ये है 3 आई एम राइटिंग 3 3 3, मतलब 3 टर्म्स आर देयर ऑफ वेरिएबल zx. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज रिमेनिंग? -4y and plus 5x. They are also unlike terms. So first you write 5x, then minus 4y. All terms are written. Now see, as I told you, addition or subtraction is possible between like terms only. So these two are like terms, these two are like terms, and these three are like terms, and they are unlike terms, right? So 7xy minus 2xy, it will be 5xy. 7 minus 5, 7 minus 2, 5. Plus 5 plus 4 plus 9yz. अब देखो यहाँ पर -3zx plus 9zx minus 3zx. देखो ये वाला -3zx और ये वाला -3zx मिलके -6 हो जाएगा. -6 plus 9, यहाँ पर देखो -6 plus 9, दोनों का डिफरेंस 3, साइन ग्रेटर नंबर का +3 हुआ ना. यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा? इन तीनों का टोटल सम +3zx. समझ में आया? वैसे भी देखो -3 plus 9 +6 हो गया, +6 minus 3 plus 3zx. Okay, and these two terms are remaining. Put it down here. Plus 5x minus 4y. So your final answer is this one. This is horizontal method. फिर से एक बार मेथड समझना. फर्स्ट स्टेप में क्वेश्चंस लिखो, सेकंड स्टेप में ब्रैकेट ओपन करो, थर्ड स्टेप में लाइक टर्म्स का ग्रुप बनाओ. थर्ड स्टेप में क्या करेंगे? लाइक टर्म्स का ग्रुप बनाएंगे, और लाइक टर्म्स में प्लस या माइनस जो भी है एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन करेंगे. इन दिस वे वी विल गेट द आंसर. नोट डाउन दिस एग्जांपल आल्सो. Now students, after completing the examples of addition and subtractions, coefficient terms, you have to solve this exercise. In the first sum, identify the term and their coefficient. I am explaining, you can solve it. See here, first term is 5xyz square. Its coefficient is 5. So how will you write? Term is equal to 5xyz square, coefficient is equal to 5. Term is equal to minus 3xy, coefficient is minus 3. Similarly here, term is 1, coefficient is 1. Term is x, coefficient is 1. Term is minus x square, coefficient is minus 1. In the same way, you can do the third sum also. Now question number 2, write 4 example of each monomial, binomial and trinomial. Think about that and you write the examples of monomial, binomial and trinomial by yourself. Okay. Now let us see the the third sum, add the following. Students, if you are very well, then you solve by horizontal method, otherwise you use vertical method, then you can do better. AB minus BC, BC minus CA, CA minus AB. Always remember while doing addition or subtraction, like terms should be placed below the like terms. Okay? Next one is, second one is this one. First term, second term, plus sign is here. First expression, second expression and third expression. Three expressions are there. Like terms के नीचे ही like term लिखना, या तो जैसा कि मैंने बताया था पूरा ब्रैकेट ओपन करके like terms को एक साथ ग्रुप बना के अरेंज करके करना. Same way the third sum is there. Now subtract. Subtraction you always do by the vertical method. First term, उसके नीचे second expression लिखना, like terms के नीचे like terms, फिर subtraction में जो नीचे वाला second expression रहेगा उसका sign change करना है. Sign change करने के बाद में यदि add हो रहा है तो add करो, subtract हो रहा है तो subtract करो. इस तरीके से आपको third sum subtract करना है. You solve all these three sums and send the feedback to me. In this way, today we have finished addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. Student, in the next lecture we will do multiplication and division of algebraic expression. They all are very important, and let me tell you that all these things are also in 9th standard. So this is very good concept for you for 9th standard. Now students, share my video, watch it and subscribe my channel and encourage your friends to also watch this one during the lockdown period and let them improve their basic concepts. Thank you. Have a good day.